What is up, guys? So we are sitting in the Corolla right now. If you guys hear any noise, that's because I have the heat on high. Well, it's not high, it's medium. I finally got the car started. It started beautifully, and I figured out where the hoses were. I accidentally rerouted one in the wrong spot, and I found the other one that was missing. I almost threw it out by mistake, but I picked it up and I put it back on. So now it's idling perfectly at 800. Right now, with the load of the heat on, it is at 1,000, and we just put in some transmission fluid. We are gonna go take it for a test run tomorrow because it's a little late right now, and I'm not trying to drive out so late. So let me show you exactly what we're looking at right now. So as you guys can see, it is currently at 1,000. When I take the heat off, it'll go at 800. Right now it's 40 degrees outside, and the temperature gauge is going up slowly, but I had it idling a bit before and it stayed right in the middle. So everything looks like it's working as it should. Guys, I'm so psyched that everything finally worked out as it should. It's pretty awesome when you can put an engine together and just hear it turn on for the first time. It's just amazing. Now, I know when I turned it on the first time, it did not sound great. We also found one motor mount bolt loose, which was the vibration on this, but also the misfire was due to the vacuum hose, one to the brake booster as well. Other than that, everything seems really good. The vehicle feels so smooth. The engine is smooth. I'm just having the air bubbles in the system come out right now, bleed itself, and tomorrow, like I said, we're gonna take it for a spin and see how well this runs. I believe it's gonna run really good. We're gonna go take it for a test drive, a braking period, 500 miles, maybe 1,000 miles around, and this is what I'm gonna be driving while I'm here in Jersey in the meantime. So this is my whip for the time being, and this is what y'all gonna see me in all the time now. But let me show you everything that's been done so far. Alrighty, guys, so here we are. Here is the car finally idling. There is a little stuff that I gotta tweak a little bit of it. The idle's a tiny bit high, but it's not that high. There are some little clamps that are missing, which can cause vacuum leaks also. But honestly, to me, it sounds really good. It might need a little bit of oil. Doesn't sound smooth as it should, but it's there. It's there. It's smooth. Right now we're waiting for the coolant to bleed out, and then we got to test drive it to see how well it's running. But other than that, it's really smooth. You don't feel anything vibrating or anything. No check engine lights, thank goodness. We won't know until we really drive it. But guys, this was a great experience. So I just want to say, you know, thank you all for joining me on this journey, and I really appreciate all of you guys who joined it. I love doing things like this, and I want to get more project cars. So now that this is done, after the test drive, we got to see what's next for the channel. Let me know what you guys want to see, and leave a comment in the comment section below, and let's see if the channel can afford it. And if not, then we'll get something else. But I'm gonna be looking for another project while I'm here in Jersey to do a quick flip and see what we can get. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I would appreciate it if you guys can leave a like in the video, and also leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Peace out. Thank you again.